What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new unboxing to take care of. We got some diecast in here. We've got 3 164s that you can see down there, and a 124, which if you've been checking out the channel, kind of rare that I get 124s. I only get the 124s that really matter, really interest me, so we'll get into that last. We'll just save it for last. So we'll get out the 164s first here at the bottom. So first up, we got Ryan Preece's number 60 Trimble Mustang. So pretty cool here that the box matches the car. I'm not sure any specific reason for that, but it's cool. It looks good. Diecast body and chassis version. So really nice to get. I like Ryan Preece. I like RFK, so pretty nice first one out of the box. And then next up, Ryan Blaney, number 12, Nashville win for the 2025 Nashville race. So good looking there. A pair of Fords first up out of the box. Next, we got another race winning car. This is the All-Star Race win for Christopher Bell, Mobile 1 All-Star Race win. That side of the car looks pretty cool. Got into some crazy stuff, I guess. So just a quick little 164 unboxing. Got 2 race win cars there, and then Ryan Preece, really cool to get here. Excited to have the RFK 60. And a cool box. But then we've got a 124. And there you go. You can see what it is just by that. But let me get that out of the box, yeah. All right, here we are, 124 out of its box. Well, the first box at least. This is Chase Elliott's 2025 Napa Children's Hospital of Atlanta Chevrolet that raced at Atlanta, Echo Park Speedway, of course. This is also the clean version. We'll be getting the raced version in just a week or two, which I will definitely be excited for, and it will make its way to a video. But this is the clean version. If you've watched the videos, you know that I was at this race. It means a lot to me. The 164 clean and raced both came out, and I think they were on the last video I uploaded, maybe, on the unboxing. And I went over how I was there. It was a great trip, you know. Decent little weekend trip to Atlanta and last lap pass for my favorite driver. So you can't beat that. Let me get this out of the box and we'll just take a look at it real quick. All right, here's the absolute beauty. Probably my favorite scheme diecast of Chase Elliott's career, maybe of all time. Who knows? I'll have to really think about that. But the sentimental value goes crazy, so I am biased. Seeing this in person win definitely adds to it. The meaning behind it, having that little girl design the car, everything about the car is her special touch. I think that's awesome. She was at the race, came out to the finish line after he won, and they asked her how it was seeing her car win, and she said it was really cool. So that's just real sweet. But anyways, like I said in the 164 video last time, in-season tournament opener, I think. So all the cars had the yellow name banner, so that's kind of cool. Looks like it was a playoff race or something with the yellow name banner, so that's kind of nice. But this will hold me over until the race winning car comes out, which I will go insane over, just like I am over the clean one. But I definitely can't wait for the race winning car in a week or two. So subscribe to see that video when it comes out, because it's probably going to get a review of its own. I might even compare the clean to the race. The 164 will be in it, all this and that. So subscribe for more. Like this video as well. Comment on which car you like the best from the video. That'll about wrap this one up. Real quick and easy. But it's kind of rare that I get a 124, so pretty cool to get. And it's one that means the world to me. So there you go. Like, comment, and subscribe.